IP-ACL top-down to bottom ang pag-uusapan natin dito. Sa topic na ito, gagawa tayo ng simpleng scenario at gagamitin uli natin ang ating topology para ipaliwanag ang top-down to bottom approach. Okay, let's say we have a packet, okay, from this source. So, itong particular na packet na ito, gawa tayo. So, this is my packet with source and destination IP address. Ang source ay 192, okay? It's gonna be the source and destination .168.1.2 at ang destination ay itong IP address ng ating web server, ang 192.168.2.2. Alright? Itong packet natin ay naglalaman ng source and destination layer 3 addresses at ang goal natin dito, parekoy, ay i-block si Darius PC o itong Darius computer at i-permit lahat ng ibang IP address sa particular na network na ito, na 192.168.1 network. In this topology, we have an incoming packet going to this particular interface FA00. So, ano nga ito ulit? Ito ay tinatawag na inbound. So, dapat alam mo na yan. Pagpasok niya dito sa particular na interface na ito, lakihan natin. Okay? Ganito ang mangyayari. Tatanungin niya kung itong packet na ito, okay, is this packet is from 192.168.1.2. Okay? Ito yung unang mangyayari. Number 1. If yes ang sagot, okay, kung yes ang sagot, the packet is denied. So, this will be denied. Okay? Nulit ko. From here, we created a packet going to this. This is only a scenario. When you ping 192.168.2.2 server, it will create a source and destination, a layer 3 address going to this FA00. Zoom ko lang dito itong mangyayari dito sa FA00 at magtatanong si router is this packet is from 192.168.1.2 at kapag yes ang sagot, this IP address will be denied reaching this web server 192.168.2.2. Nakuha mo? Na-achieve na natin ang goal natin dito is to block this particular IP address reaching our web server. Pero, hindi natin kailangan i-block ang iba pang IP address na 192.168.1 at hanggang 254 IP addresses. Kailangan natin silang i-permit. Kaya, yung number 2 is you need to permit 192.168.1.0 to this interface FA00. So, unulit ko. Number 2, in your configuration, you should permit 192.168.1.0 network for everybody to access the web server except to one IP address 192.168.1.2. Okay, always remember in every ACL at the bottom, okay, there is an implicit deny all. And So this is deny all. Okay, so there is an implicit deny all that will deny packet that does not match an entry in the ACL. Kaya you should explicitly permit the 192.168.1.0 network to be able to communicate to the other side of network. At dyan na nagtatapos pa rin ang ating IP ACL top-down to bottom approach. I'll see you on the next video. IP ACL reverse order is bad. And why it's bad? Just watch it. See you there.